Good morning, guys. So today I am going to film a little day in my life. It's gonna be a fun day. I'm getting my nails done really kind of soon, like in 40 minutes. So I need to get ready right now. I'm about to do my makeup and hair and everything and get ready to go to the nail salon. It's 9:20 this morning. My appointment's at 10. So I'm gonna get my nails done. I definitely need it. So that's the plan today. I'm really excited. So let's get ready. And then we'll go and I'll vlog today and it's gonna be a great day. Okay, so I just got all ready and I actually just posted a tutorial sort of on TikTok on how I curl my hair. So if you wanna know how I do these curls, I mean, these are like second day ones, but if you wanna know, I have a TikTok explaining sort of how I do it in the best of my ability in 60 seconds. I wasn't gonna make more than one part. So if you wanna see that, you can go check that out on my TikTok. But I need to get dressed now. I just did my makeup and I didn't really do my hair. I kind of just brushed it through and sprayed it, and I have second day waves. So now I'm gonna get dressed. What do I want to wear? Oh, my dog is grabbing my pant leg. Don't do that, that's rude. He's gonna wear these Lululemon leggings and a shirt I got yesterday, which I have time to give you guys a haul from yesterday. So I'm going to. Basically, I went shopping a little bit yesterday. So here's a haul from Marshall's. I got this hair mask. I got this little sunscreen. I got this dry shampoo foam. And then I got these shorts. They're so cute and beachy. So cute. Then I got these pants that are also very beachy and flowy and cute. And then I got this little white tank top. Cute. This little brown Moment tank top. Oh. Cute. These little booty beachy shorts, cute. And then these little beachy shorts, really cute. And then I went to Tilly's and I actually did some banging shopping. So I got Bradley these swim trunks. How cute are they? So cute. And then I got this shirt, which I think is literally adorable. It's a long sleeve. Also found this all like 50% off. It says Florida and it's tie-dye and it's so cute. Love it. And then I found this little shirt, also 50% off. How cute. I think I'm gonna wear that today. And then I got, oh, this is from Marshall's. This is, my parents brought Bradley this Columbia t-shirt. Very cute. And then I got a bathing suit. So here's the bathing suit. These are the bottoms. It was buy one, get one 50% off, or yeah. So I got like the bottoms 50% off, basically. Here are the bottoms. They're like this cute little pattern. So cute. And then here's the top I got to go with it. It's like blue and it literally is so flattering and cute and I love it. And then last thing, I needed some new like white shoes. My Converse destroyed, my white Vans destroyed. So I decided to switch it up and I got Vans, but I got not slip-ons. I got these like lace ones, the old school, all white though. Really cute. I'm really excited about it. I think I'm gonna wear them today too. Ew, I have to lace them. But okay, I'm gonna get dressed now and then we're gonna get going because it's like 9:40 something and my appointment's at 10. I live so close to the nail salon though, that's no big deal. Okay, I am for sure running late right now, so I'm running over there now and I'll see you guys when I get to the nail salon. Okay, my nails are done. Here they are. I had to rush when I got here because I was late, but here they are. I got like orange tangerine little French tips, so yep, those are my nails. I'll give you a close-up really quick. Get out of the sun. Here we go. That's them. So I'm about to get breakfast with Bradley and then, yeah, I'll vlog that. Okay, so we just got out of breakfast and we're heading over to Walmart now because Bradley's gonna buy me a fishing pole.
Reel it in.
But yeah, breakfast was really yummy. I didn't film much. I filmed like a clip on my phone of my food. But if you want to see a closer in-depth picture of my food before I ate it, follow my Instagram because I posted a picture of it. So you can go see it. It looked really, really nice and yummy and delicious. So yeah, now I'm going to drive on over to Walmart. I'm not far, so yeah, I don't know if I'll video in there because I don't really know. I'll see you guys there. Okay, my vlog is probably a little boring at the moment because I haven't done anything but talk to the camera. I haven't even showed you very much, but we just left Walmart. I got a fishing pole. It's like a turquoise color. I'm so excited. And then I also bought some, Bradley bought the fishing pole, and then I bought some pickleball for us to play and just have fun with, and it's good exercise. So that'll be fun. And now we're going home. And yeah, that's all I know right now, but we're going home. And I promise this vlog will get more like entertaining in a minute, okay?
Lonely days and sleepless nights since you spoke out and hurt my pride, yeah. There's no need to say sorry.
Oh, a mess.
I can't get you.
I'm home, obviously. I need to let Oakley out, and then Bradley went to the office of our apartment because we got a text about a package is like lost or something, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let Oakley out, and then I don't know what we're doing, so yeah. Okay, I just came up from letting Oakley out. He's eating some food now, and so I'm gonna clean up this messy kitchen because, you know, it's very messy. So I'm just gonna set the camera up and clean it up very quickly. And then, yeah, that's what's happening right now. I'm gonna pick up.
Whose side do you want? She said she on south side. Who's back? But you know I don't really go outside. When the blessing come, we don't give thanks, cause it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods, in the hills, and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you doing is real. In time, you will show me things for now. Starting to question what all this really.
Okay, Bradley's napping, that's why I'm talking quietly. But I'm just watching YouTube videos, some clever style testing luxury items versus Amazon dupes. And I'm kind of hungry. I'm just chilling on the couch while he naps. So I think I'm gonna eat a Built Bar, little snack time. You guys know I love my Built Bars, and I've been trying to eat good. So that means like not sweets and stuff. And these literally like take my cravings of chocolate and stuff away because they're that good. So I'm gonna have that. Hold on, I need to pick a flavor. I'm gonna have the peanut butter one. So good, literally tastes like just peanut butter chocolate. It's like a, so I'm gonna have this. And you guys know I love Built Bar so much. They're 100% real chocolate, no guilt. This one has 180 calories, 19 grams protein, and 100% taste. So you guys should definitely go check out Built Bar. You guys can use my code OliviaMessler10 for 10% off of your Built Bar order. I love these things so much, and I definitely recommend them. So I'm gonna have one of these, enjoy these, cut my cravings of chocolate really quick, have a good snack, fill me up because I'm kind of hungry, and yeah, just watch YouTube and chill. And we're gonna work out later. Maybe we'll play pickleball, maybe we'll go fishing, maybe we'll go to the beach for sunset, I don't know. But that is what I'm doing right now. So yeah, definitely go check out Built Bar. I love them so much, so I'm gonna eat this. Someone is trying to steal my Built Bar. Stop. Watch me film a TikTok, okay? Right. Horrible. Psych. He's asleep. So cute. It's later now, and we're about to go fishing. I'm gonna use my fishing pole. This hat, I swear, looks goofy on me, but Bradley thinks it looks cute, so I'm gonna wear it to go fishing. It's his hat, so like I feel like it looks big, but it's okay. We're going fishing. I'm gonna catch a fish. If I catch a fish, I'll insert a picture, but I'm just gonna bring my phone and I'll video a little bit if it gets fun, exciting, but I don't want to carry my camera around, so. But yeah, here's the fishing outfit. I'm wearing black leggings with green zipper up because it might be chilly. My crusty white Vans and this hat from Bass Pro Shop. Yep.
Lonely days and sleepless nights since you spoke out and hurt my pride, yeah. There's no need to say sorry. I can't get you off my mind, and you can't tell me this don't feel right, yeah.
I definitely look really rough right now, but I'm editing this video and realized I did not make an ending to the video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Comment video suggestions down below. I know some of the vlogs can get boring after a while, but a bunch of you really like them, and I really like filming and editing them. So, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more of me. Yeah, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!